In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to post to LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook all at once, saving you time and hassle. If you've ever felt overwhelmed managing multiple social media accounts, this is the solution you need. Stick around because at the end, I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I'm using to do this. You may have tried scheduling posts on multiple platforms, but it's a pain switching between apps, right? I've tested a bunch of popular software out there, and I'll tell you which one actually makes posting across LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook easy and efficient. The first step is choosing the right software. The tool we'll be using today allows you to manage all your social media accounts from one place. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be able to connect your LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook accounts. Most tools offer a quick setup with a step-by-step guide to connect each profile, so don't worry about technicalities, it's simple. Once you're connected, you'll notice the option to create a new post. All you need to do is write your post, attach any media, and the software will allow you to choose which platforms you want to share it to. Here's the key. You can either post immediately or schedule your post for later. Scheduling is ideal if you want to plan your content ahead of time without having to be glued to your phone or computer. The best part? You don't have to manually adjust the post for each platform. The software will automatically adjust your text and image dimensions to fit the requirements of each platform. So what you see is what you get. No extra resizing or edits needed. After you've set everything up, just hit publish or schedule, and the post will go live across all 4 platforms simultaneously. This process takes less than 5 minutes once you're comfortable with the software. If you want to follow along with this tutorial and get started right away, check the description below for a free trial of the software we're using. This trial is exclusive to my channel's viewers, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Now, let's do a quick recap of the key points. First, choose the right software that lets you manage multiple social media accounts. Second, connect your profiles. Third, create your post and select the platforms you want to post to. Finally, either post it immediately or schedule it for later. It's that simple. Key takeaway: posting to LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at once doesn't have to be complicated. Using the right software saves you time, and with the free trial in the description, you can start posting smarter today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial.